clients ask me all the time what's happening in manufacturing, and good news has come about recently. The manufacturing sector grew in January after declines last year. They ended last year in December at 47.8% for the PMI index, and it jumped to 50.9%, which is an expansion territory in January. So that's really exciting news for the manufacturing sector. And the question is why? So what I'm seeing happening is that manufacturers that are getting ahead and proactive and can provide rapidly customized products, local and quick turnaround to their customers, are able to beat the competitors, because they are not only responsive, but they're fast. They can customize their service level or customize their products on a dime, and they are beating their competition. So those of us that are thinking ahead will succeed, and manufacturing is on the rise with that, as well as with the tariffs and the volatility and disruption in our extended supply chains. Folks are reevaluating, and it's coming into the favor of many manufacturing executives.